In today's world of data-driven decision-making, schools use StudyBuddy to provide data-based instruction on their state standards in reading, math, and science. Students engage in self-paced study, receiving immediate feedback. As a result, students build self-esteem as they experience success.
Before in the past, you mention the word math and they go, oh no. But with the study buddies, they get real excited.
And they feel good about themselves as their scores rise.
Teachers like StudyBuddy because it frees them up to work with smaller groups of students. Instead of having to teach everything to everybody, teachers provide differentiated instruction and serve as facilitators of learning.
Sometimes with direct instruction, we can't always meet all the needs of the students, but through the study buddies, we're able to meet their needs.
In a sense, we're using what they like in order to get what we want.
StudyBuddy works with software cartridges containing hundreds of questions based on your state test. But it's not just questions. It's 3 powerful learning options.
If I get the answer wrong, I go to explain, so it can explain me how I did it or how can I do it right.
After I learn a lesson, I study, then I take my test.
Students choose a strand, then a specific state standard. Once a learning objective is chosen, students can study, test, or play a multimedia lesson to learn the concept as many times as they need it. After learning the concept, students can choose to study or test. The 4-way button on the right is used to position the cursor. Then the Select button is pressed. When a question is answered in the study mode, the student knows immediately if it is right or wrong. The Answer Selection button can be pressed again for guidance on how to answer the question correctly. They use the Page Back button to answer the question again. Self-paced instruction is powerful, patient, and private. Students master objectives, and their motivation increases dramatically.
The whole format of it they find pretty engaging, and it's kind of cool. This is math class, but I get to play with this instead. So they see that as being pretty positive.
Since Brainchild programs are so simple to implement, schools continue their use year after year. Research and references are available from hundreds of schools that have made AYP and raised ratings. If you would like to boost student motivation, save teachers time, and provide data-driven instruction, it's time to begin your StudyBuddy program. Join thousands of schools who have chosen Brainchild's handhelds to study better, score higher.